How to add admin on Facebook page? Let's begin with the video. To begin with, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. Next, click on the pages to see a list of pages you manage. Here, tap on the page where you want to add an admin. After that, again click on the hamburger icon. Then tap the gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down and select Page Setup. Likewise, click on Page Access. Moreover, tap on the Add New button beside the People with Facebook Access. Here, hit Next. Then search the name of the person you want to make an admin. Furthermore, click on their profile. Next, look for the option that says allow this person to also have full control. Lastly, toggle the switch to on position and hit Give Access. Then enter your password to confirm. Finally, the person will receive an invitation, and once they accept, they will become an admin of your page. There you go. Now you know how to add admin on Facebook page.